What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I got the hood and the trunk open on a 1963 Impala. Has a believed to be 327 under the hood. Power steering on this one. Front disc brakes. Drum in the rear. It's a beautiful car. The previous owner, he said that this is a 48,000 mile 327 original motor 4-speed car. He even made this up for it, so that's kind of cool. See a little bit of moisture coming through. You see where that water run is? We're gonna look up in the package tray real quick. I got y'all all crazy sideways because it's kind of a tight squeeze in there. Sorry about that. Looking around the trunk, figured we'd go ahead and knock this out before we start this thing up. It did rain like crazy last night. It's actually been raining for like 2 days here. Weather stripping looks good around the trunk. The trunk lid itself looks really good. Shut it down. It's a little stiff. Come down pretty nice. What I like to do in these videos is point out any kind of flaws, look for anything that you may want to know before you come up here to purchase these vehicles. Check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory. We also have financing and shipping information. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Coming around the front end, bumper's been on here a little bit. It does have a little nick and scratch right there beside each other. Front end itself looks very nice. Very nice. Set of Boyd wheels on it. This car used to be red. It does look much better black. A little bit of cracking in the paint there. A few little bubbles around the trim. Checking the bottoms of the doors. Looking nice and solid. Rear bumper's in the same condition as the front. Some paint chipping up there. A little bit of pitting going on inside these little tail lights here. Some blemishes popping up under this emblem. There's a chip right here by the gas tank. It looks like they, or the gas cap, that they touched up. And some bubbles popping up here above the trim. Bottoms of the doors look solid. chips there. All right, made it around the car here. Tried to catch everything. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now, and then we'll shut the hood down and get some undercarriage shots. I love the color of these seats. That looks awesome. And they're in great condition. Same with the door panels. Fairly new weather stripping around the door panels. Get this camera up in a little bit so I can get you up under there. The carpet doesn't look too bad in there. Package tray's in great shape. Headliner looks pretty good. The dash does have some cracks in it. As you can see. Car starts up easy. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? RPM gauge is not coming up. Showing 48,000 miles on the dash. Wipers are slow. They work, but they're slow. Radio works. Blower motor, it cuts on. I can feel it blowing on the floor. We do have a temperature gauge in here, reading about 180. This sounds pretty good. Fairly quiet. Hood shuts down nice and easy. Push down on them corners on these old cars, make the hinges come flat. Just checking out the hood real good now that we got it down. All right guys, we're up here in the front. What I'm gonna do is give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start in the front, go to the passenger side, rear, driver's side, and we'll continue the test drive video that we were doing right before we started this one. All right. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. Tried to go over everything in a decent amount of time to get it done throughout this video. You can also check out maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. Yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. We're gonna get back to the test drive now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every day as well. Thanks again, guys.